Good and quick answers to questions, great sense of humor, very welcoming/hospitable host, felt right at home, comfortable, clean, great location. We had a wonderful stay and will stay again. Recommended.
Can think of anything. Perhaps the later check-in than planned, but that was not a big problem as there were many places to go in the neighborhood while waiting. No complaints.
We got a marvelous deal with staying in a Fiat close to all the buzz in London. It was lovely to be able to just walk everywhere, but still you could get a good night rest in the room.
Tricky stairs accessing the room, and separate from the bathroom.
Fan host, Gabe makes you feel at home.
Nothing.